These solved questions are from Skilyogi's guidebook. The link is given in the description below. Here is the answer to the question: what were the main arguments on either side of the debate about how to relate to tribal communities? Answer: the main arguments on either side of the debate about how to relate to tribal communities were presented by British administrator-anthropologists and Indian nationalists. According to British thinkers, the tribes of India were primitive people with a distinct culture separate from mainstream Hinduism. They believed that the simple tribal people would face exploitation and cultural degradation if assimilated into Hindu society. Therefore, the British felt that the state had a duty to protect the tribes and help them sustain their way of life and culture from the perceived threats of Hindu cultural assimilation. On the other hand, the Indian nationalists, represented prominently by G.S. Ghurye, argued that the tribes were not distinct cultural groups but rather backward Hindus who had been interacting and assimilating with Hindu society over a long period. They felt that attempts to preserve tribal culture in isolation would only contribute to their backwardness. The nationalists believed that, like many aspects of Hinduism itself, tribal societies also needed reform and development through assimilation into the mainstream. The core difference between the two viewpoints was in how they perceived the impact of mainstream Hindu culture on tribal communities. The British saw it as a threat of exploitation and cultural extinction, while the nationalists viewed assimilation as a natural process of social evolution that all Indian communities had undergone, with Tiavanbiales being only a step behind. Visit Skilyogi today. Become a Skilyogi member to access all our website content and get doubt clearing support on WhatsApp. This guidebook is available as a downloadable PDF and in printed book format, with cash on delivery options. Get the link in the description below.